we decided to stop here. This place is called 这个地方叫什么？
龙王庙。
The Dragon King Temple.
耶，逛超市喽！
好看啊，那个鱼好。
Alright, tonight we're gonna have one of the most common things people in China like to eat, hot pot. So right now, Wang Nan is gonna buy all the stuff we need, and we're gonna go home and eat today. There's a inherent flaw in these Chinese shopping carts. All the wheels swivel. It's really hard to drive around the store. 哇，你要买什么？
你喜欢的蛋蛋。你觉得，你觉得在家吃火锅比较好，还是出去吃比较好？
我喜欢在家吃，我觉得很方便。
放松。
方便。
随便。
很随便。
看电影。
对。只是有点麻烦，因为你吃饭后需要打扫休息。
你不觉得这样很幸福吗？
对啊，我喜欢。
那你为什么说麻烦？
也让我的家给我的家那个味道。 火锅的味道，
所以是好还是不好？
好也不好。但是我喜欢，我觉得有时候我们是这样，我觉得这是挺好的。
对呀，在家很轻松。
对。我们买完了吗？
然后现在回家。
Yep. Go.
加油。
I like this Chinese show. 因为中文很简单，所以我都听得懂。Alright, so the flavor we got is the spicy, because that's the one I like. Wang likes it too. Alright, so 我小剪刀 scissors. Alright, so we put this the flavor in here. Really? Alright. Oh, that's right here. Alright, so now we wait for this to get all ready and we could eat. 不应该改想吗？
对呀。
OK，
你知道，就是，很多人的习惯是在火锅先吃肉，就把所有的肉先吃，然后菜过一会儿等一会儿。
好。
因为这样的话就全都是肉的。我觉得是这样。
太好吃了，太好吃了。
你还想去海底捞吗？
有一天可以再出，但是日式也挺好的。
在家很方便，很自由。
对。It's so good。火锅好吃哦。
好吃。
那。
但是，我有麻烦了。
一直有麻烦了。Alright, we're gonna play some. 小心吧。 We're gonna play some video games, I guess, because we're at home and we're lazy and there's coronavirus. So, maybe the light's better this way. we're gonna play our favorite game we like to play together. Helldivers.
开始了吗
Yeah.
那我可以先吃一口 cake 吗 ？Please。旁边你又让我扔在不是你的东西的旁边，你告诉我扔哪？
你啥玩意儿？ Kill me twice. Kill me twice.
你这个男人，
You love killing me.
你这个男人。
Your favorite thing to do is just, I just want to kill this guy. Yeah, give him that. I want to win this time. Just a Wu Shang Ying. Yeah, it's probably our 10th time recording this, but we're gonna win. We're gonna win, goddammit. It takes us all night.
你可以赢吗？
如果你不杀我就可以啊。
为什么你的星星总是欺负我？
如果没有星星，那个兔子座会快杀我。耶耶耶耶耶耶耶耶耶。
哦。
Take that, you stupid. Come into my house, will ya?